Are you thinking that 10,000 naira is too small to start a business? I urge you to think again. While most people are making excuses about not having enough capital, smart Nigerians are turning small money into serious income streams. I'm about to show you the exact businesses that can transform your financial situation, starting with just 10,000 naira. And if you stay to the end, I'll reveal the number one mistake that kills 90% of small businesses in Nigeria before they even get started, and how to avoid it completely. Hey there, welcome to SafaWise. This is the channel where we keep it real. Real hustles, real talk, and real money moves. The reality is harsh. With inflation eating up salaries and job security becoming a myth, waiting for someone to employ you is like waiting for NEPA to give you 24-hour light. It's not happening now. But here's what most people don't realize. The biggest businesses in Nigeria today started with amounts smaller than what you spend on data in 3 months. I remember when a friend told me he couldn't start a business because he only had 15,000 naira. Today, that same guy owns 3 POS points and makes over 200,000 naira monthly. The difference? He stopped making excuses and started making moves. Let's start with what 10,000 naira can actually do for you. Like we talked through, this money fit change your life if you use it well. Number 1, pure water distribution business. This is the most recession-proof business in Nigeria. With 8,000 naira, you can buy 20 to 25 bags of pure water from any factory and distribute them to shops, offices, and residential areas. Each bag contains 20 sachets, costs between 200 to 250 naira, and sells for 300 to 400 naira depending on location. That's between 50 naira to 200 naira profit per bag. The secret? Build relationships with shop owners and offer credit terms. Target areas with high foot traffic. Serious. Water is something everyone needs daily, regardless of the economic situation. 2, data reselling business. This is the digital gold rush nobody talks about. With 5K Jello capital, you can start reselling data through platforms like G-Subs or Husmo Data. The margins are thin, but the volume is massive. One fact, or should I call it a good thing, is that Nigerians need data like they need air. Start with your friends and family, then expand to your neighborhood. Pro tip: offer bundle deals and loyalty discounts. 3, mobile phone cleaning service. People don't realize how dirty their phones are until you show them. With 8,000 naira, you can buy professional phone cleaning kits and UV sanitizers. Target offices, phone shops, and busy areas. Charge 500 naira per device. Clean 20 phones daily. That's 10,000 naira. Pure profit after the first 2 weeks. But here's where most people mess up with small capital businesses. They think small. Your mindset determines your money size. Let's talk about what 50,000 naira can do. With 50,000 naira, you're not just starting a business. You're building a system. 1, POS business. This is the ATM business that never closes. With 40,000 naira, you can register with the POS company, buy a machine, and have working capital. The beauty, you earn on every transaction. In areas with poor banking access, a POS operator can make between 15,000 naira and 25,000 naira daily. The trick is location and building trust. It's not easy at all, but the money there. A client of mine started with exactly 50,000 naira in the POS business. Today, he operates 5 POS points across Lagos and makes over 500,000 naira monthly. The difference? He reinvested profits instead of spending them on a lifestyle. 2, thrift store business. The Nigerian thrift game is booming. With 50,000 naira, you can buy quality bales, sort them, and sell at 300 to 500% profit. The secret sauce: know your market. University areas love trendy pieces, while working class areas prefer formal wear. Start online with WhatsApp status and Instagram stories. 3, mobile car wash service. Lazy money, as I say. With 45,000 naira, you can buy professional equipment and start servicing cars at people's homes and offices. Charge 3,000 naira per car, wash 8 cars daily. That's 24,000 naira daily revenue. The convenience factor is your selling point. Busy professionals will pay a premium for doorstep service. 100,000 naira is where real business begins. This is not hustle money. This is investment capital. 1, foodstuff bulk reselling. This is about becoming the middleman between producers and retailers. With 100,000 naira, you can buy rice, beans, or gari in bulk from northern states and sell to retailers in Lagos with 40 to 60% profit margins. The secret? Build relationships with farmers and understand seasonal pricing. Person will no get money no they respect them. But with 100,000 naira, you can command respect in any market. 2. Shawarma stand business. The fast food revolution is real. With 80,000 naira, you can set up a professional shawarma stand in a strategic location. The margins are beautiful. Approximately a 500 naira shawarma costs like 200 naira to make. So this means that if you sell 100 pieces daily, that's 30,000 naira profit. The key is location, consistency, and taste. People will travel across town for good shawarma. 3. Digital mini importation. This is the future of retail. With 100,000 naira, you can import trending products from China using AliExpress or Temu and sell at 200 to 400% profit. Start with lightweight items like phone accessories, beauty products, or gadgets. And you can use social media for marketing and target specific niches. The beauty? You can run this from your bedroom. Stop the video for a moment. Look at your current situation. Which of these businesses fits your lifestyle and location? Don't just watch. Take action. The transformation happens when you stop thinking like an employee and start thinking like an owner. The people who adapted are eating, while those still waiting for jobs are waiting for Godot. Here are the mistakes that kill 90% of small businesses in Nigeria. Mistake number 1, lifestyle inflation. The moment you make 20,000 naira profit, you upgrade your lifestyle to 25,000 naira. Business money is not your money. It's the business's money. Reinvest first. Enjoy later. Mistake number 2, no record keeping. You cannot manage what you don't measure. Buy a small notebook and record every transaction. This simple habit separates successful businesses from failed ones. Mistake number 3, competing on price instead of value. Don't be the cheapest. Be the best. Customers will pay a premium for quality, convenience, and reliability. Mistake number 4, no customer retention strategy. It costs 5 times more to acquire a new customer than to retain an existing one. Build relationships, not just transactions. The question isn't whether you have enough money to start, it's whether you have enough courage to begin. Every successful business in Nigeria started with someone who decided to stop making excuses and start making moves. Your financial transformation doesn't begin when you get the perfect amount of capital. It begins when you take action with what you have, where you are, right now. Right now. Which business resonates with your current situation? Drop a comment. 10K if you're starting with 10,000, 50K if you're ready for the 50,000 level, 100K if you're going big with 100,000. And here's my challenge. Don't just comment. Take action this week. One small step today is worth more than 1,000 big plans tomorrow. And if this video opened your eyes to new possibilities, smash that subscribe button for more practical finance strategies that work in Nigeria's economy. Your future self will thank you. Remember, in Nigeria, your network is your net worth, but your courage to start is your real wealth. Start today, start small, but start strong.